Hi guys, this is Christine Gale and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to discuss three topics. We have the transaction processing system, the second one is management information system, and then the third one is executive information system. So the first one that we are going to tackle on is the transaction processing system. So what is transaction? So a transaction is information processing that is divided into individual, indivisible operations, and that is what you call the transaction. So each transaction must succeed or fail for it to be called as a complete unit. So it can never be only partially complete. Let's say, for example, when you're going to purchase online, let's say Shopee, and then you're going to purchase a t-shirt. So you exchange your money in a form of a credit for a t-shirt. So if your credit is good, then a series of related operations ensures that you get your t-shirt, and then likewise with the shop, it also makes sure that they will get your money in return of the t-shirt as your payment. But however, if a single operation in the series fails during the exchange or process, the whole process or procedure fails. So it means that you won't be able to get your t-shirt, and likewise with the shop, it won't get your money. So the technology or system that is responsible for making the exchange or process balanced and predictable is called transaction processing. So let us now discuss what is transaction processing system really is. So a TPS is a system that performs and records the daily routine transactions necessary to run the business, and it also serves the organization operational level. So there are two types of transactions. We have the internal transaction and the external transaction. So for the internal, it is related within the internal working of an organization, or inside, it's just inside a company. And for the external transaction, it already includes the external sources. It is also related with the company, but it has external sources. Let's say, for example, the sales. So we have some examples of ATPS. We have the flight reservation, employee records, online payment, payroll, and etc. So there are also two kinds of processing. We have the real-time processing and then the batch processing. So for the real-time processing, it is also called as online processing. So it is where data are processed immediately after the transaction occurs. We have the example is generating a bill. And for the batch processing, it is a transaction data. The transaction data are accumulated over a period of time and processed periodically. So it means that the transaction or the processing of the data is not really immediately. It will have a period of time. It's by batch, from the word batch processing. So the second one that we are going to discuss is the management information system. So management information system is an integrated system that helps the management with relevant information to run the business effectively and efficiently. So the aim is to make the raw data into useful information that helps in managerial decision making. That being said, the functions of management information systems are data capturing, data storage, data processing, data and information distribution, prediction or forecasting, planning, and control. So let us discuss them one by one. Let's start with data capturing. So data capturing is the process of gathering data from various sources, and this includes the e-commerce sites, mobile shopping, and etc. So the output for this, the output of one or more systems like sales, finance, market analysis, and operations are from digital and social media sites. So we have data storage. So all data that are cold are stored in a database and data files. And this data is distributed in various storage media like hard drives, flash drives, DVD, and etc. And the third one is data processing. So in data processing, it is converting the raw data into meaningful information. And this is what expert calls as data processing. So this is an important function of management information system, as information is the core necessity for achieving competitive advantage. So the next one is data and information distribution. So in data and information distribution is it is the right information to the right person at the right time, and the information could be in a form of a report image, message, file, form, video, or audio. And of course, to facilitate a comparison, information is presented in the form of charts, tables, or graphs. So in prediction and forecasting, it is with the help of modern arithmetic, statistics, or simulation. Management information system can predict business using historical data as a base. So in planning, reports are generated based on the enterprise's needs. These reports help management to plan in advance, and this enables each functional department to work efficiently. So the last is control. And in control, the management information system helps in monitoring and tracking the operations against organizational plans. The deviation between operating and the organizational plan is analyzed for exercising control. So the last topic that we are going to discuss is the executive information system. So the executive information system, or EIS, are the key factors of the success of modern business of today. So it is mostly used of today's organizations and companies. So the EIS is an information system designed and developed for the top level management or senior level of the organization or the company itself. So such people include the CEO, COO, department and unit heads, and etc. So for the reference of these individuals, the system provides data and information for all the units, branches, departments, and geographical regions of the company. And this information is in graphical form, and it is usually in a forms of graphs, tables, charts, and diagrams. So this gives the user an overview of how things are going on inside the entity of the organization or the company itself. So the entire data of this system is stored on the cloud, and I think we are all familiar with this one. So as a result, the users can access the data from any place at any time, and this helps in taking quick and effective decisions for the users. So the executive information system are tailored made specifically to meet the need of the top level management or the senior level. So the data is usually in a summarized form. However, there is an option to drill down or to more minutes and detailed information. So in this way, the user can obtain the information of the entity as a whole, and then drill down such information to a particular branch, product, time periods like the month of June, etc. The most important function of the system is to help the top executives take quick and effective decision by providing meaningful, accurate, and timely information to the executives of this entity. So generally, managers perform 6 tasks for which an executive information system is useful. So the number one is tracking performance, playing exceptions, ranking, comparing, spotting trends, investigating, and exploring. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something from me. So if you are still new watching my videos, please do subscribe and click the notification bell for the upcoming videos. I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.